Drag the clip with the green screen to your timeline. Click on the clip, go to the Fusion tab, go to the Effects, and search for Delta Keyer. Drag it and drop it between the input and output nodes. Use the highlight on the nodes as a guide. It should join like this. Go to the background color, click on it, click on the color picker, and select the green color background. Press OK. We need to do some more cleanup. Go to the Matte tab, change the view mode to matte. The aim is to make the background completely black and the cutout completely white. Increase the threshold to make the background black and reduce the threshold to make the cutout completely white. Once you are happy with the adjustment, change the view mode back to Final Resort. To add a background, go back to Edit tab, drag an image or a clip to your timeline and place it below your cutout. Make adjustments according to your needs. Keep in touch, share your creativity. I'm here for your wins. Go be awesome.